Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did want to do a quick TA on Total 3, which is essentially the market cap of every single crypto except for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This would essentially track every single altcoin, going from, ADA, Matic, Polkadot, Doggy, possibly, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, etc., right? Basically anything that is not, it tracks the market cap of anything that is not Bitcoin and Ethereum in the crypto space. And I did want to just kind of point out right now that we are looking at a similar pattern to what happened, this was yesterday. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, you had a bear trigger get created right at this candle where your bear candle 4-hour trigger for the bear side gets canceled on support. We go bullish and then we rally, right? And the same thing is happening right now. We are on a bear candle on support. It looks like we are going to close a 4-hour candle bullish, and we might see another rally on the total market cap of the altcoin market, possibly back to, levels of like 862 market cap or billions, right? But what this would basically mean is that, we can maybe expect a rally on altcoins going from essentially, when did this start? Like here to here. So a move of what? 11%. So you can maybe see another 11% move from here, roughly to possibly here. So like another $80 billion in market cap increase. And again, this goes as a whole, as an entirety of the altcoin market. So being long right now in altcoins is not necessarily a bad thing. Right now, my bias would be closer to, altcoins rallying. I wouldn't necessarily say, Bitcoin and Ethereum going up, but possibly altcoins going maybe another 5-10% higher within the next, day or so, day or two. So you can maybe expect another 10% rise in cryptos like, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, ADA, Matic, Polkadot, anything that's not Bitcoin and Ethereum. Which is essentially what this Total 3 ticker tracks, is the market cap of every single altcoin except for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So just wanted to point that out. The same exact pattern looks like it is going to be playing out. Would not be surprised to see another 5 to 10% increase on altcoins for the overall crypto market. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.